Kindly press subscribe button and bell icon to get notified each time once video gets uploaded. So guys, this is the helmet. From here you can lift up and down your visor. It equips with Exor F180 anti-fog visor, so the rider gets an ultra clear vision and a permanent anti-fog function vision. It comes with internal sun visor. From here you can lift up and down your sun visor. So guys, this is how it looks with sun visor. Guys, let me close this visor. Next is on top you will get X badging, which represent Exor helmet badging. This helmet comes with breath guard and chin curtain. For air ventilation there will be 3 air intake vents. First is this one. Below sun visor you will get air intake and 2 at the top. So on top, this is the first air intake vent. On the other side, this is the second one, air intake vent. So on the back of this helmet you will get air outtake 2 vents. This helmet is standardized by 2 countries. For the safety, it comes with DOT and ECE approved. As you can see, there is a hologram on the back side. You can see it is a M size and 1550 grams of weight. As mentioned in the title, so it is a vivid helmet. And again, Exor helmet branding. So guys, this is how it looks from the back side. So back outlet vent is integrated with spoiler, allowing it to be positioned for optimum flow through. As you can see, aerodynamic design is given. Again, it is mentioned Exor helmet. This helmet is a sports touring helmet. That's why it is mentioned sports series. Guys, let me show you 360-degree view angle of this helmet again. This helmet is IMPS injection molded polycarbonate shell, which is used for high performance. Guys, another benefit of this helmet is that you can quickly change the visor without any tools. On inner side you can also attach helmet speaker or mic. It comes with double D ring for secure fit, and the chin strap secures the helmet and head in order to prevent it from rolling off. On the back, helmet provide you fixed cushioning along with back cushion reflectors. Till now I didn't face any problem with these, and I really like the cushioning which is given by this helmet. Let me show you. So I am taking out the first cushion from the side. This is the second one which I am detaching this cushion. Now if I talk about the center one, you can detach like this. I would give this helmet 10 out of 10 as and also if any team member of Exor helmet is watching this video, I really like this product and thanks a lot. Guys, if you like this helmet, so comment down below and hit the like button. Hey, just to clarify to you guys and YouTube team that this is not a paid promotion or sponsored video. It's just that I am promoting this helmet because I am using this helmet, and this helmet is best for city as well as for touring. You can easily attach after washing the cushionings and head cushion. See how it is easy. It takes me some seconds to take out the cushions from the helmet. Same you can do like this, guys. After removing the cushions, see guys how premium this helmet is. Again I will show you how sun visor look like. Just to clarify guys, this product I have purchased in the month of July 2020. I'm using this helmet in city as well as in touring. Comment down below if someone used this or any Exor helmet. Kindly share your experience with us. You may purchase another bike but not life. Protection is must, it is not compromise. And if I justify with this video and you watch till the end, so kindly like, subscribe, press bell icon and share with your friends and relatives.